Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best insole for flat feet that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Powerstep Pinnacle Shoe Insole Orthotics. Apparently, topping our list today is the best insoles for flat feet, the Pinnacle Shoe Insole by Powerstep. These Powerstep Pinnacle Shoe insoles for flat feet have made their way to the top because they are indeed one of the best insoles for flat feet. They promote healthy alignment, cradle the foot perfectly and soothe aching feet right away. They come in various arch types, giving the person a liberty of picking the best fit for their footwear. If you are looking for something to give your feet a perfect support, look no further than this insole. They come with a lifetime guarantee and are one of the most durable products by far. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Superfeet Blue Full-Length Insole. Are you afraid of having a disturbed posture for yourself? Are you wondering why your feet aches? Maybe your shoes are missing out on something. Are you looking for the best insoles for flat feet? Superfeet Blue Premium insoles are one of the highest quality standard shoe insert materials that work best to provide comfort for all kinds of feet. These inserts are 2 inches high and 5 inches wide. They are made up of a class fabric synthetic material which is not only coated with bacteria repellents but are also latex-free. So, if you are a vegan and against animal killing, this just might be the inserts you need. At number 3, we have the Softsole Air Orthotic Full Length. Talk about class and superiority, these performance shoe insoles by Softsoles have already got it. If you are an athlete, then these are the best insoles for flat feet and are a must for all of your shoes. Each insole contains a nylon plate within the center that gives a perfect arch support to your feet. With these insoles in your shoes, forget about ever losing your equilibrium or toppling off while taking a fast run. Besides, the material is coated with an antibacterial solution which takes away moisture. They give just the support your feet needs while running a marathon. At number 2, we have the Softsole Athlete Full-Length Comfort Neutral Arch Replacement Shoe Insole. Not all insoles are made of the top quality, but Softsoles are purely made of synthetic material. These inserts come with a neutral arch which fits best for all types of feet. They give your heels the perfect cushioning and the fabric contains Hydrologics technology which keeps bacteria off from your feet at all times. If you are looking for the perfect solution to improve the comfort of your daily walks, then get yourself a pair of these insoles. They are quality tested and keenly designed to provide enhanced performance. They contain gel pads in the forefoot and the heel which simply adds an extra layer of comfort for those who wear them. And finally, at number 1, we have the Superfeet Orange Premium Insole. Superfeet Orange Premium Insole makes your feet feel superb. It comes with an organic, odor control coating which eliminates the smell of sweat and bacteria. The biomechanical shape of the insole ensures maximum support while running or playing hard on rough terrains. Each sole comes with a reinforced stabilizer cap which gives the base of the insole structure and stability. The front of the sole is made up of foam for greater shock absorption, whereas a deep heel cup at the rear end adds stability to the foot during high-impact activities. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.